Milk Frother Handheld Battery Operated, Electric Whisk Coffee Frother Battery Stirrer, Handheld Milk Foamer, Mini Mixer for Bulletproof Coffee, Cappuccino, Latte, Frappe, and Matcha Tea, 2-pack. Get creamy froth quickly with a higher speed motor. This milk frother spins quickly and smoothly. It makes best creamy froth with milk heated to about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy your favorite coffee with foam topping in seconds. For Perfect Froth This coffee frother is powered by 2 AA batteries, it brings creamy froth instantly. Within 1 minute, you get a glass filled with milk foam for your coffee. Enjoy your latte anywhere missing your morning latte when traveling? Just take this portable frother on the road. Small yet effective, easily to make your cafe-style cappuccino. Easy to use and clean, easy to insert batteries, switch the on button, no need to keep pressing the button while frothing. Simply move the whisk up and down to get your desired amount of foam. 100% satisfaction. We aim to provide high-quality product and stand behind it with a full refund service. In case you have any issues, just contact us and we will make it right for you at any time. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.